Question 18, inverse proportion. The question says f, let me just zoom in. This is better, isn't it? The question says f is inversely proportional to the cube of r. F equals 6 when r equals 2. Find the formula for f in terms of r. You can pause and try it yourself. So what I will do first, I write the proportional. So f, oh, this is very big. F is proportional. Inverse is going to be 1 over cube of r is r cube. Then change this into an equation. So that means f is equal to k divided by its cube. I'm sorry, it's not squared, r cube. Then substitute the value of f and r. F is 6, so 6 equals k divided by r is 2, so it's 2 cube. From this, we can just do the cross multiplication to get k, right? Multiply this, gives you k. So k equals 6 times 2 cube is 8, so k is 48. Once you get k, just plug it back here in this formula. So f equals k, which is 48, divided by r cube. And that's your answer for this part. They ask you to find the formula for f in terms of r. We got it. Then find the value of r when f equals 3072. First, bring the formula down, the one we just got. So it's f equals 48 divided by r cube. They gave you f. F equals this, just put this here. So 3072 is equal to 48 divided by r cube. Okay, then how do you find r? This is denominator of 1, right? We can just add 1 there to make it easier. So cross multiply. That means 3072 r cube is equal to 48 times 1, which is 48. What do I do next? I'll divide by 3072, divide by 3072. This side cancels. So you will end up by r cube equals. So what's 48 divided by 3072? If you plug this in your calculator, it gives you 1 over 64. But then this is r cube and we are looking for just r. So take the third cube root for both sides. That gives you r is equal to 1 over 4. This is calculator. I'll just plug in your calculator the third cube of 1 over 64. The third cube, you can find it by pressing shift and then the sign of the third cube. And that's it. No. If you are using, the Casio 991 calculator. Now let's look at question 19. This looks fun. Canela. It's a nice name. Canica